Introducing the Rapid 3D Printer by Protospeed, exclusively at Guess Wine. Able to print a full platform at 30 microns in under an hour, no other printer on the market packs more versatility and speed. With a build area of 190 millimeters by 107 millimeters, the Rapid 3D Printer is able to tackle your largest designs and the volume you need. Customizable supports and easy-to-use slicing software with pixel optimization make the experience of printing smooth and seamless. Or, if you prefer, you can use the supporting and slicing software of your choice, like Chitubox or Lychee. Transfer your files to the printer remotely using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, or through a USB drive. Combined with the best castable resin on the market, the Garnet Red castable resin from Guess Wine, your only limits are your imagination. Backed by industry-leading technical support and training with real-world experience, you can print and cast with confidence. Don't sacrifice quality for speed. Print with Protospeed.